Hello, everybody. Scott Golden here with the Golden Opportunities Coaching YouTube channel. Welcome to those of you who are new. Welcome back to those of you seasoned veterans of what we do around here. What we do around here is bring about conversations of a psychological, social, coaching, and emotional related mental health paradigm. We do that on a regular basis. We try to do that multiple times per week, and we do that through an audio format. We have over 650 audios available for your listening pleasure. We try to update these often. If you're looking for life, business, relationship, or entertainment coaching, I've worked with people who are in the entertainment industry and would love to work with you if that's your goal. But also, if you're just trying to get better quality to your life, would love to help you there as well. In any event, if you are looking for that, you can reach out at PO Perception on Twitter and or in the About Me section of this YouTube channel. We can get in contact and lead in a good way. Today we're going to talk a little bit about manifestation. A lot of people have heard of it as The Secret, the law of attraction, all that. I'm very careful about talking about this topic because, number one, it's spiritual and not everyone is. Number two, it is quite often taught incorrectly, and so I'm hesitant to talk about something that has so many misnomers about it. So I'll talk about it in generalities for the benefit of those who are there. And so there's about 5 or 6 things I want to run through here. The first thing is be really clear on what you want. And I know this is something that people talk about on a regular basis, but if you want a partner who is drawn to monogamy naturally, then don't say, I want a girlfriend or a boyfriend. Because the challenge becomes, just because you ask for something doesn't mean you get what you assume that the other person should be. The more detailed you are in your focus, the more detailed you will be in what you receive. And so it's like ordering food. If you say, I want a burrito, it's a lot different than I want a burrito with queso and hot peppers and banana peppers and 3 types of cheese. The more specific you are, the more close you get to the ideal situation. The next is you have to believe. Number 1, believe that you're worthy of receiving whatever it is that you're trying to create. Number 2, believe that there is a co-creative force, whether you call that God, Goddess, the universe, spirit, whatever term you use is perfectly fine. But believe there is a co-creative force. When you believe that you are the only force involved in the creation, you will burn yourself out and wonder why you're not good enough to receive, and actually will repel, that is, what you're trying to receive. Focus on progress towards your goals and aspirations, dreams and manifestations. In other words, don't think that just because you desire something, it's going to happen all over the place, and it's going to happen instantaneously. This is where people become very, very tied up in the I didn't get it yet, therefore I'm not good enough, or I didn't get it yet, therefore I did something wrong. No, every moment you take, every second of every day is an opportunity where something can come together for you, but you have to be aware, alert, and connected, which means being guided in the truth that whatever you desire is aligning for you, provided the desire is in the highest good of yourself and all around you. Remember, you get what you focus on, not what you want. So if you focus on doubt and what you lack, you will get more of the same, because the universal law is that the universe never says no to what we believe, not what we desire, what we believe. And so if the core belief that you're holding on to is, it will never happen for me, then you become a self-fulfilling prophecy. That is why progress is so important, because when progress is the center of what you're focused on, I'm getting closer, I'm getting closer, I'm getting closer. Before you know it, even if it takes longer than you expected, you've gotten to where you desire to be. That can apply to getting close with a relationship. That can apply to paying off $1 million debt. That can apply to getting in your car and driving across the country. We're always getting either closer or further away from our goals, and that's important. Visualization during the process. Visualize having the strength to get to where you want to be. Visualize what it will feel like and how people will respond to and how you will respond to attaining what you desire. And also visualize what you'll do afterwards. This is where people get tripped up too. there was a comment once that the people that landed on the moon eventually got depressed because they came back to Earth and it wasn't the same because they'd done this great thing. What are you going to do after you get what you think you want? What's the next thing? The other factor is get rid of distractions. So if there's something that causes you not to focus on progress, if there's something that causes you to always go backwards, if there's something that causes you to doubt yourself or your ability or whether you deserve to get what it is that you desire, if there's something that causes you to be out of alignment within yourself as a person, get rid of that thing completely. Now, that can sound challenging, but it really isn't. It's just a matter of, do you really, do you, and I tell people this all the time, do you want to be right or do you want to be happy? Focus on happiness, focus on joy, focus on the things that you have that you never thought you had, that you would never thought you would have had. Focus on the things that are bringing you a level of serenity. Focus on the things that are bringing you to a place of peace, and then magnify those. Get in greater contact and concert with those. Let go of the things that distract you from feeling like things are changing for the better. Things are always changing, both negatively and positively, but when we focus upon that which is changing positively, in other words, for every person that's born, a person dies, or something like that. For every challenge we have, we also overcome. And then ultimately we kind of get to a meaningful place of balance and goodness and peace and serenity. Finding that place within yourself is important from a perspective of manifestation, but also inner peace and focus and being able to reestablish yourself, and then surrounding yourself with people that aren't always positive, but that help you to see things from both sides. Understanding that there will be challenges, but filling you with the belief that not only can you overcome them, but there are networks of people or groups of people or people in your life who can help you reach your goals. That ultimately is important. The more you feel the sense of community, the more you feel that everything is interconnected, the easier it is to reach your goals. And in any event, I encourage you, keep your feet on the ground, your mind in the moment. Until next time, everybody.